Okay, this is a video that I thought I should do, seeing as I skipped out on the DP2 and DP3 versions of Mountain Lion, basically because I can't really be bothered with beta software. But what I've done in this video is I've made a VMware image for DP4, which came out the day before yesterday. And what I'm going to do very quickly, because obviously not many people can be watching this one because it's developer only kind of stuff, so not many people know about it. I'm just going to run through how you can set it up very quickly, and then just basically show you how it works. So you can download this either by torrent or direct download. The torrent link will be faster, although the direct downloads will be faster to start with because obviously there'll be less people on the torrent. So the first link will take you to the torrent, and the second one will take you to a list of direct downloads that you can use. And the first lot of direct downloads will be Rapid Share, but I have Rapid Pro, so they will be very fast Rapid Share links, and I'll also put some multi-upload links as a mirror. And okay, so if you download it via direct download, all you have to do is extract the different parts, because it'll be an 8-part like set. So you just right click and extract using WinRAR or 7-zip. And for the people who download it via the torrent, you just double click the exe file and it will extract, and you will both end up with this folder. So inside here you should have these 3 folders: OS X 10.8 Mountain Lion, the hardware virtualization bypasser, and the Mac OS X guest unlocker. Now, in terms of these 2 folders here, I'm not going to go through them in this video. However, if you look in the top left and the top right of the video now, you can see links to videos which will show you how to use those. And I'll very quickly say that everybody should have used the Mac OS X guest unlocker at least once. So if you haven't used that, then you definitely need to go watch the video on that. And for the hardware virtualization bypasser, that is if you get the software virtualization error when you try boot up your VM. So if you ever get that error, it's something like your machine doesn't support hardware virtualization, please use software virtualization. If you get that error, then that's when you need to watch that one. So as I said, just go watch either of those 2 if you feel you need to. And inside the OS X 10.8 Mountain Lion video, we have a bunch of files, obviously. Double click on the VMX file, which is this one here, and it should open VMware Workstation. Okay, so VMware Workstation is now opened. I'm just going to maximize it, and you can see in the bottom left that I have basically made a couple of notes and just noted a couple of things, so where you can get in contact with me if stuff goes wrong. A link to keep track of, because that's when new releases are put out. And all you have to do now is go to Edit Virtual Machine Settings, and here you can change the memory and everything else. The memory I always keep on 1GB of RAM. Basically, the configuration I use is what it is now, so there's nothing wrong with how it is now, it's just your preferences. So go through and change anything you feel like. Options, you can change shared folders and stuff. If you want to change that, just go to Always Enabled, click Add, press Next, browse for a folder. If I just pick my C drive and then enable that share, that folder will show up in the VM if you install VMware Tools. Okay, so there was something else I wanted to say. Okay, make sure in the general section you do not change this to just don't change it to just 10.7. It has to be 64-bit. The reasons for that are explained in the link in the description that will take you to the release notes of this, and I basically explain everything about it there, so don't change that or it won't work. And once it's ready, just press power on and it should start up. Just press I copied it if you get that message. Alright, so you can see that Mountain Lion has now started up, and I have left it so that you can change the settings and stuff just because there was no need for me to actually set it all up. So just go through and select all your settings. I'm just going to do it really quickly to just skip through it. And then just start using the Mac. And what you should see in a minute is your desktop. And there you go. Just wait for the dock to load properly. Obviously the first time you load it up is slower than the other times, but there we go. You can see it has, you know, new messages and various stuff like that, all the new things. If I go up here and go on about this Mac, you can see it's 10.8, although that doesn't specify which version it is DP4. Obviously you can see that it's in virtual machine. If you look at the build there, that is the DP4 build if you have any kind of suspicions that it isn't. And it works very fast, stuff like that. You know, it just does things reasonably quickly. And as I said, it's DP4, which was released on Monday. So if you want to get it, just go ahead and grab it from the links in the description. Since it's a developer preview, I'm not going to be too involved with any fixes that come up with this because half of them could just be due to Apple. So unless it's something that I know specifically what the cause is, I'm not going to actually do much in terms of maintaining this. If you're wanting something that's fully maintained, you probably want one of my Lion builds, or you want the final release of Mountain Lion. So apart from that, if you have any problems, just leave them in the comments. As I said just a minute ago, if it's anything related to the actual system that is probably Apple's fault, I'm not going to get involved in that. That's just something you expect from beta software. Subscribe to my channel for new stuff in future. I can pretty much guarantee that the actual retail version of Mountain Lion will be on my channel within a day, due to some stuff that I've got sorted out. And yeah, just like the video, favorite it, all that kind of stuff, and I hope it was helpful. As I said, I felt that I owed this to people, seeing as I haven't actually brought out one since the very first version. So hopefully you enjoy this. Good luck with it, and as I said, down the links in the description, release notes in the description, and enjoy. Good luck, and as I said, don't hesitate to contact me or leave a comment if you have any issues. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, which will probably be in a couple of days. Thanks. Bye.